Let's salt salmon fish at home. It's super easy and much cheaper than buying it in the store. Please subscribe so you don't miss new delicious videos and to support my channel. Just mix 1 or 2 tablespoons of salt with 1 tablespoon of sugar. Rub it into the fish, place it skin side down, cover and refrigerate. In 6 hours you will have lightly salted fish, but I usually leave it for a full day for better flavor. Today I am making sandwiches. Spread some butter or cream cheese on homemade bread, like I do, and add the fish. You can find how to make homemade bread by following the link that will appear at the top now. As you can see, we already eaten some fish. You can also add avocado or greens, whatever you like. You can also freeze it. It's even easier to slice straight from the freezer. In the next videos, I'll show what else you can make with this fish.